carcasses of animals treated with this drug, they suffered from kidney failure and died in large numbers. This rapid decline in vulture populations had a cascading effect on the environment. Without vultures to dispose of dead animals, the number of rotting carcasses increased, leading to a rise in feral dogs and rats, which in turn spread diseases to humans. The story of India's vultures is a stark reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the unintended consequences of human actions. It shows us that we must be careful about the medicines we use. The introduction of diclofenac into the environment was not done with malice, but rather with the intention of improving livestock health. However, the lack of thorough testing and understanding of its impact on non-target species led to a disaster. This incident underscores the importance of rigorous environmental impact assessments before the introduction of new chemicals and drugs. It also highlights the need for ongoing monitoring and research to understand the long-term effects of these substances on wildlife and ecosystems. In response to the vulture crisis, India banned the veterinary use of diclofenac in 2006 and introduced safer alternatives. This move has shown positive results, with some vulture populations beginning to recover. However, the road to full recovery is long, and continued efforts are needed to ensure the survival of these vital birds. We must protect all animals, big and small. Conservation efforts must be holistic, taking into account the interconnectedness of all species within an ecosystem. The vulture crisis has spurred a greater awareness of the need to protect not just the charismatic megafauna like tigers and elephants, but also the less glamorous species that play crucial roles in maintaining ecological balance. In India, various organizations and government bodies have come together to implement conservation programs aimed at protecting and restoring vulture populations. These efforts include breeding programs, habitat protection, and public awareness campaigns to reduce the use of harmful substances. The success of these programs depends on the collaboration of scientists, policymakers, and local communities, all working towards a common goal of preserving biodiversity. They are all part of our world. Every species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, has a role to play in the intricate web of life. The loss of one species can have far-reaching consequences affecting the entire ecosystem. By learning from the vulture crisis, we can take proactive steps to protect other species and prevent similar tragedies in the future. This means supporting conservation initiatives, advocating for sustainable practices, and educating ourselves and others about the importance of biodiversity. As we move forward, let us remember the lessons learned from the vultures and strive to create a world where all creatures can thrive in harmony.